Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So jumping right into things. So there's a Peter from Brazil that emailed me some photos. He said him and his wife were out and they were in Brazil and they took some photos of the sky, and they happened to go back to the photos and see what they thought was a white dot. And what you're seeing here is the photos, and they zoomed in on it and they realized that it wasn't just a dot or something on the camera when they took it. It was something in the sky that was there that they took this photo of. Now it's got kind of a bluish whitish green color. I'm going to zoom in just a minute. And Peter, if this is you and you want to talk about it, please note something in the comments and I'll pin your comments to the top so that people can see and they can communicate with you. But this is pretty interesting. This is one of the photos that he took, and the second photo is going to show more clearer shape of what this may or may not be. I'm not sure of what was going on with this. Maybe the craft was moving. So hopefully Peter can comment and say something. But this is going to be the second photo here. When I zoom in on this in just a second, you guys are going to kind of see what I'm talking about with the shape of this. But a lot of times we take these photos and we're not sure of what it is out there until we start analyzing and looking in on it. But as you look at this a little bit closer, you tend to get somewhat of a shape, or maybe it's multiple ones that are in this. I'm not 100% sure, but there is a clearer photo, so he did go in and clean it up, and I'm going to zoom in and show this to you guys. But a lot of times we see stuff like this, like I said, out here in the sky, like I do myself, don't pay any mind or attention to it, and it could be something like what they're seeing here. Now, I don't know the exact date, so like I said, Peter, if you can, go ahead and comment on this so that I can pin it to the top so we can get a little bit more information and location of it. But once you start zooming in on this, you see right there, when it's cleared up a little bit, you can see more of a shape to it. Now, it looks like there's a lot of lights possibly inside there. Maybe there's something separating from it. Maybe it's just one craft in all. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe someone out there that's watching this video has seen something similar too. But when you zoom in on this, you get this here. On the right side, you can see like it's got several, maybe at least 8 or 9 or 10 lights embedded in. I don't know if that is separating from that, and then from this point, the whole thing just disappeared, or they didn't see it anymore, but they did say it was very faint in the photo, and these are the two photos that we have for it. Below it, like I said, I don't know if it's something separating from it or it's part of the craft, but it's very interesting, especially when you try to look at this up close. I don't know if it's morphing, transforming, I don't know if, or descending to another dimension. I'm only speculating, and I'm relying on you guys to help me kind of analyze this, because I've never seen craft like this that's had these type of colors to it and had lights inside of it. So I'm not sure what to say about this. But here's kind of a before and after too, where it's kind of cleaned up, so it makes the photo a little bit clearer for you guys to see what's going on. So Peter, let us know the date if you can, and then also the location where in Brazil you saw this at, because I'd be curious if someone else saw this out there too, or saw something similar too, and got some photos and possibly even some video of this. That would be good to kind of put this out there, and I also put it in the community page too, so you guys can see it and communicate over there. But whatever this is very interesting. Never seen anything like this before. First time seeing something like this, so definitely wanted to show this to you guys to get some of your feedback on this. So then on another note, there was a video I put out about a month ago. There was a video basically of a UFO ascending down to a car, and you're seeing some of this here, and some people said this was a hoax and that it was too short. But someone was walking up to their car and they saw this. They actually got out their car and they saw this, and this is what they filmed. Now the video is a little bit longer, and I'm trying to get some more information on this before I put out a full-blown video to break it down. But you clearly see something there, and then it takes off, and he's filming this taking off. And once again, we have something we've never seen before, but looking at this close, look at that. So I'm trying to get a little bit more information. I'm going to clear these up and clear the background up to see if we can identify a shape to it. But I'll definitely be touching back on this probably early next week. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. Appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next video.